with our big winner. What's this?
Sama-samang pinagkaguluhan, hindi lang ng mga kabataan, kundi ng buong sambayanan. Mula sa pagka-clash ng villa at apartment teen housemates, hanggang sa pagdating ng Teenternational housemates. Nag-clash man ang kanilang mga pananaw at paniniwala. Sa huli, nagsama-sama pa rin at nagkaisa para ipakita ang tunay na mukha ng kabataan. Ang Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 Big Five. Brett, lumaki at namulat sa kulturang Amerikano, ngunit hindi ito naging hadlang upang madaling mapakisamahan ang kanyang housemates at maging mabuting leader sa mga ito. Ivan, laki man sa US, pinakita naman niya sa buong bayan ang pagmamahal niya sa kultura ng kanyang ina at nagpakita din ng kanyang tunay na pagkatao. Devon, hindi man nakaranas ng maginhawang buhay, buong puso pa rin niyang tinanggap at hinarap ang mga pagsubok ng buhay. Ritzy, nakagisna ng isang komportabling pamumuhay, ngunit nanatiling simple at hindi natakot lampasan ang bawat pagsubok sa kanya ni Kuya. Ryan, ang makulit at simpatikong Korean housemate na hindi natakot magpakita ng pagmamahal sa kanyang mga magulang at kapwa housemates.
Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 Big Winner, James!
Napatunayan niya ang tunay na kahulugan ng pagiging makabago at responsableng kabataan. Kaya naging karapat-dapat na Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 Big Winner. At ngayon, fresh mula sa bahay ni Kuya, ang Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 Big Six.
Job's a joke, you broke, your love life's the away. It's like your line is stuck in second gear, when it hasn't been your destiny, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. Still in bed at 10 and work again at 8. You burned your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world was brought down to your knees. And I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. No one could ever know me, no one could ever see me. Seems so alone, who knows what it's like to be me. Someone to face the glory, make it through all the rest with. Someone I always laugh with, even at my worst, my best with you. Yeah. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you, 'cause you're there for me too.
Yes, with the accent of the Teen Big Placer, Brett, Ivan, Devon, Fritzy, Ryan, the PBB Teen Big Winner, James! Hello, hello, welcome to Ask XB, and congratulations, James. I was so proud of you from the land of Underdown Bama. Can you greet kapamilyas?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Ito naman, di ko nga maintindihan yung tono ko. Marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog. So, kamusta ka naman? Ano ang feeling na ikaw ang nanalo sa PBB?
Sobrang sarap ng feeling.
Sobra-sobra?
Siyempre.
Wow, sarap ng feeling.
Of course, maraming salamat to all my supporters. Thank you so much.
At mamayang gabi po, mapapanood na natin ang High Five, the Big 5 years of PBB. Kaya guys, invite them, our kapamilya.
Yes, mamayang gabi na po yan. Makikita niyo po ang 33 sa mga tumatap na housemates ni Kuya in the past 8 weeks.
Okay, Ryan?
That's from season 1 to PBB Teen Clash of 2010.
Devon?
Yes, after 5 years, magsasama-sama uli ang mga naging housemate ni Kuya for a big reunion.
Okay, Brett?
Magkita niyo sila ulit sa isang bahay for one night only.
Okay, Ivan?
Catch High Five, the big 5 years of PBB tonight after Sharon.
Teka lang, last request na lang. Last request. Ryan, pwede ba nga sample ng isang chuba chuchu? Gusto niyo ba mag-chuba chuchu si Ryan? Okay, Ryan, sample na ng chuba chuchu.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu, chupa chuchu.
Okay, thank you, PBB Teens Big 6. Up next po. Okay naman ngayon, all out naman ang countdown from the ASAP Sessionistas sa pagbabalik niya ng ASAP XV.